Your alter ego is actually two birds, the great blue heron and the great egret. Both birds hunt by standing on long, thin, stick-like legs in the water and patiently waiting for fish to come by. Very patiently. Very, very patiently. When a tasty-looking fish gets close, pow! It boggles the mind how such a delicate-looking bird can swallow such a large meal. These graceful-looking birds make the most of the Everglades' vast wetlands and are easily seen all over the park. If you would like to explore more birds, click left. If you are satisfied with your feathered alter ego, click right.